You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here, and I promised you on the live show I'd do a little sweet something something. Just because I don't eat dessert doesn't mean I can't keep doing desserts on the show. So I hope you enjoy this. Tammy and I both felt this was something very easy to do and probably tastes good. So come on in close. Very few ingredients. I'll show you how to make it. Okay, star of the show, bananas. We've got baking chocolate bars, semi-sweet. You can also do like chocolate chips if you want to melt them, or sugar-free chocolate chips and melt them. And then we're doing yogurt. This is vanilla right here. And then we decided to use, unless you're allergic to these, put some nuts on top. Okay? So let's get started cutting up the bananas. Okay, the best way to cut these bananas is kind of like if you were going to be cutting them for your cereal. I'm guessing we'll do a bunch of slices. Okay, you want to cluster up your bananas. So I'm figuring about half a banana per cluster. These are called banana froho clusters. So let me get these laid out and I'll show you. So we got our banana clusters. Literally, it's a bunch of slices side by side, clustered up like a flower. It's about a half a banana's worth. You're gonna take your yogurt, going to top this. All right. So once you've topped the bananas with a layer of yogurt, pop this in the freezer because we cannot do the next step till that's frozen. Okay. Okay, they're rock solid frozen. So now you take them out and quickly melt some chocolate. By choice, you can put nuts on top if you want. We're going to do some, I think, crushed walnuts. Once you've topped with chocolate, top with nuts. Probably another hour or two in the freezer. That's about it. Get this to solidify and you're good to go. It's time to try these babies out. They're called banana Froyos. I don't know.
Where did you come up with that?
I didn't come up with it. The lady who did them that I watched came up with them.
Oh, okay.
So I decided to try and make them.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
It'll be kind of hard because it's frozen, but we'll see.
It's going to be bananas, chocolate with yogurt in between, and nuts on top. You're getting peanuts all over my studio. Good girl, Hope.
They're good.
They're good?
Mm-hmm. My favorite yogurt.
Serious?
Mm-hmm.
Are you just going to keep eating, or are we going to say goodbye?
I would do them like semi-frozen, let them out for like 10-15 minutes, but it'll break your teeth.
Okay, you heard her. Let them sit out, soften up a little bit, then shout out. All right, what grade would you give it?
I give it an A. I like it because it's got all my favorite.
Would you make it again?
Yes.
There you go. Banana Froyos.